Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Extend2Fit 3-in-1 car seat in rear-facing mode using the lower anchors. First, store the tether hook on the ring on the back of the seat. Next, remove the lower anchor strap from storage by pressing on the red button on the lower anchor connector. Repeat on the other side. Be sure the lower anchor strap is routed through the rear-facing belt path. Recline the car seat using the handle on the front or back of the seat into one of the 4 rear-facing positions. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle. If using the extension panel, adjust using the handle at the front to any of the 4 positions. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Make sure the vehicle is on level ground. Then check the level indicator to ensure the bubble is completely within the correct zone for your child. If it's not, adjust the recline. For easier installation, extend the lower anchor strap to its maximum length by pressing the gray button and pulling on the strap. Next, attach the lower anchor connectors to the vehicle's lower anchors. Make sure that the strap lies flat and is not twisted. Press down firmly in the center of the car seat while tightening the lower anchor strap. You may need to tighten through the rear-facing belt path. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the rear-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, re-tighten the lower anchor strap, then retest for tightness. Recheck the level indicator to ensure it's still completely in the correct zone for your child. Your car seat is now installed.